What is up? Half Baked Beard here, and I've got some beard mail from Bells Custom Woodworking. And sorry for the bed beard, just got up, had to open this for so much good shit, dude, about his combs. And talking to him recently, he's a fellow vet, looking at some of his stuff. He's like, oh, I'm gonna throw this away. I was like, why? It's fucking beautiful. And so he sent it out to me. So I figured I'd try it out before I jumped in the shower. Don't really think it takes more than really one use of a good comb to really know whether it's gonna fucking work or not. So, oh, awesome. Also, I forgot. Oh my God. I forgot the butter knife. He sent me a wood butter knife. Why? Because I like butter. That's fucking sweet. I can't wait to dip that into some fat. Put it on my toast. Hell yes. Dude, these are so fucking bitchin'. Look at that. Fuck. That is fucking sweet. I can't remember what kind of wood it is. I'll put the description of the wood. I can't really remember off the top of my head. But all I know is this is fucking sweet. I can't wait to try this out. Try it in my beard. Come back to you guys. Let me know. Or I'm going to do something. But then I'm going to let you know what I think about this awesome fucking comb from Mr. Bell over there at Bells Custom Woodworking. Awesome. Until then, see you guys soon. Stay baked and I'll be back. I'm back, and I'll tell you what, guys, this Should Sui Ban walnut comb is fucking fantastic, dude. I'll tell you what, man, from the very first time I put this shit in my beard, and I don't know if it's because the width of the blade or of the teeth or the grooves for the hair guides or what, but I have never had a comb literally go smooth through my hair, because some of my hairs are wrapped so tight that even with the Chicago comb, when I go through it, they stick because they'll get stuck in those little tiny curls. This thing nice and wide, and I mean I'll come through with the pick afterwards just because I prefer that little puffier look. But dude, this fucking comb is phenomenal, dude. If you guys haven't checked out Matt out of Hickory, North Carolina, man. Matt with Bells Custom Woodworking. You guys have to check him out. Also, bam! Fuck butter knife. Dude, check it out. Smooth as silk. Watch it work. Fucking watch it work. Booyah. Breaded toast, boys. Matt Bell. Bells Custom Woodworking, yo. Check him out. Best fucking comb, swear to God, I have ever tried. Best beard comb. Got it. Get it. Gotta fucking get more. Alright, guys. Have a great day. Stay baked. Stay bearded. Get you some bells. Have a good day.